We are under constant scrutiny. It seems as though cameras capture our every move. Surveillance on the street, cameras in stores. They take our picture when we use the ATM. And now, automatic license plate readers are photographing our cars on the street.
It's one thing to use automatic license plate readers to see if a car is, for example, a stolen vehicle, or whether there's an arrest warrant out for the driver of the car.
Catherine Crump is a staff attorney with the American Civil Liberties Union Speech, Privacy, and Technology Project.
It's another thing to start saving the license plates of every American on a massive scale and building a large database of license plate data that simply continues to grow over time and is never deleted.
Police forces and some private companies are sending specially equipped cars out onto the streets of cities and towns across the country. They snap pictures of plates, imprint them with a timestamp and GPS coordinates. An effective crime-fighting tool, say some, an infringement on your civil rights, say others.
The Fourth Amendment restricts the ability of the government to put a GPS device on someone's car and track its movements wherever it goes. One question is when it is, for example, impossible to go more than a few blocks without having a photograph taken of your license plate, will that become the kind of pervasive monitoring that so concerned the Supreme Court?
A 2009 report by the International Association of Chiefs of Police regarding the privacy impact of the readers acknowledged that there was no, quote, uniform set of rules governing or even suggesting the appropriate uses and sharing of LPR data. The report contained a number of suggestions for departments to balance the concerns of both law enforcement and privacy groups.
It's not just one observation of a license plate, but many over not just one day, but many days, and then this data being retained for long periods of time, maybe transferred to other police departments or put in national databases, and then used for purposes that even today we can't necessarily anticipate.
The ACLU has filed Freedom of Information Act requests with 587 state and local agencies and has also filed federal requests to determine the extent to which the technology is being used.
After we've gathered the facts, then I think you'll see from the ACLU potentially model policies and other recommendations for how this technology should have privacy protections built into it.
For better or for worse, the use of automatic license plate readers is spreading. The ACLU says it doesn't want to ban the devices. Their concern is how much data is saved, for how long, and what's done with what's kept. In New York City, this is Ed Alpern reporting for the Lawyers.com channel.